Welcome, Cummins. Magonza is proud to receive you. Magonza has the honor to welcome Mr. Gary Fine and selected members of Team Cummins. In 1987, Magonza was established as a manufacturer of precision machined parts using the most advanced CNC equipment. This equipment is used throughout the entire manufacturing process to provide high-quality, cost-effective product to our customers. We're becoming one of the leading suppliers of a variety of machine castings. In alliance with TRAMAR Industries, we're able to offer the customer cost-effective solutions to their product lines. We are dedicated to high-quality products that exceed our customers' expectations. Every member of the Magonza team is accountable for both process quality and product quality. We are committed to continuous improvement in all aspects of our business, products, and services. Our facilities were built strategically in a 1,600 square meter property in Fundidores Park in the city of San Luis. Magonza's competitive advantage within its market is based on the following strengths: flexibility and capacity to grow based on customer needs and requirements, expertise to manage finished goods and raw material inventory, controlled inventory, Kanban, etc. We've teamed up with lenacero.net to upgrade our software to cloud computing in the next months. This will allow our clients to keep track of their orders, invoices, and inventory. Our services are mass production of parts, casts and dies, machining, production, and recovery of unique pieces, paler and medium welding, cylindrical and flat rectification. As part of our equipment have CNC lathes, vertical and horizontal CNC machining centers, and cylindrical CNC rectifiers. In conventional equipment have parallel lathes, milling machines, boring machines, grinders, die cutters, and cylindrical and flat rectifiers. Measuring equipment, durometer, optical comparator, profilometer. We have the pleasure to work for several international companies like Cummins Generator Technologies Mexico, Eaton, BD Medical, Siemens, Continental Tire Mexico, and 3M Mexico. Visit www.magonza.com.mx for more information.